Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting. This will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. In this video, I'll be looking at the next in line to the largest import of German market. The German market imports a lot of petroleum product, petroleum-related product, $208 billion. 47.1% of that demand is petrol gas. And remember, a good chunk of this gas is from Russia. Gazprom and the like in Russia. And, you know, it looked like Russia have also weaponized gas against Europeans because of the war in Ukraine. Because you now see a situation where because of the over-dependence of the European, particularly German in this case, on gas from Russia, Russia is able to also ensure that it punishes European and saying, you want to buy my gas? Okay, pay rubles. You can't pay me in dollars because I've been yanked off dollars. You have sanctioned me, I can't use your currency, so pay me in my own currency. And that's why the market, the Russian economy is growing in the midst of war with Ukraine. Can you imagine that? The economy is growing in the midst of war with Ukraine. So almost 50% of the petroleum product import by the German market is crude oil. Is gas. And this gas is mainly from Russia, among other things. In addition to this, crude petroleum, 19%. That's crude oil, 19%. So the country import crude oil. Interestingly, the country also import refined petroleum, meaning the refining capacity of the German market cannot meet the demand in the German market, such that it has to be importing petroleum, refined petroleum product from other markets around the world. And that accounts for about 15.5%. The crude petroleum is 19%. Electricity import is 6.2%. Coal briquette is 4.08%. Iron ore, 1.1%. Precious metal ore, 1.32%. Copper ore, 1.01%. Non-iron and steel slag, 1.5%. Coal tar, 0.59%. And coke, 0.53%. And coke, 0.53%.